PCG Commandant, CG Vice Admiral Artemio Abu joined Department of Transportation Secretary Art Tugadi, and the Department of National Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, and other concerned government officials in a meeting on the acquisition of a multi-role and maritime patrol aircraft for the PCG today, the 3rd of March 2022. The said asset will further enhance the response capabilities of the PCG, particularly during maritime incidents, natural disasters, and calamities. It will also allow the Coast Guard Aviation Force to conduct wide and sustained patrol coverages within the country's maritime domain. The Joint Department of Transportation and Philippine Coast Guard Technical Inspection and Acceptance Committee has conducted the final acceptance test and inspection of supply and delivery of the first 97-meter multi-role response vessel MRRV. During its sea trial at the vicinity waters off Mariveles and Baguio Bay in Bataan, on 3 to 4 March 2022. Among the items tested onboard MRRV 9701 Teresa Magbanua were the draft measurement, Doppler speed log, progressive sea trial, noise and local vibration measurement, propeller shaft revolution indicator, anchor windlass, turning, Z maneuvering, steering gear, crash stop astern, and crash stop ahead, the lowest revolution of main engines, inertia, autopilot, echo sounder, marine radar, automatic identification system, and global positioning system tests. Several demonstrations were also conducted, such as utilization of water gun, external firefighting system, rigid hull inflatable boat, fin stabilizer test, anti-rolling tank test, bow thruster, and special maneuvering test, single shaft driven speed, and electronic chart display and information system testing. The final sea trial aimed to ensure all navigational, engineering, and safety machinery and equipment are thoroughly inspected and working properly in accordance with the technical specifications set in the contract prior to the signing of acceptance of joint DOTR PCG TIAC from Mitsubishi Shipbuilding Company Limited. Thank you for watching. For more update, don't forget to like and subscribe.